as we're moving along, this is like a waiting seating area, and there's people piled up down there and up here, and we're trying to get into that giant room over there. And it looks like these bars and all are closed. There's a bunch of them. Get you a wider view here. So we'll just call this the staging area. This is a long line to get where we're going, but you can see part of this is auditorium seating, except we've got benches with plates and food, because this is a dinner show. We're in our seats. We got a bowl for soup.
Howdy guys,
plate.
Welcome. Let's get this chair up as well. I'll be right back.
So this is very similar to the Tournament of the Kings we did in Vegas, where there was a jousting, horse jousting there. We ate there, but we didn't have any of this. We ate with our hands, remember? So we basically, they brought the food out on a tray and we just ate with your hands. No silverware. It was pretty cool. We've done that twice. I'm not gonna film it all.
The Carolinas and Arkansas. Please welcome your competitors from the South. Team Smoking Ranks. Porky and Petunia. For the South in blue, we've got Hamlet and Henrietta. They're all fat-free, and here they go.
Lifts us up and hands to us, and all the
everybody, we made it back to the RV. That was a really good show. It's non-stop action. It is called Dolly Parton's Stampede. Basically nothing to do with Dolly Parton. There was a tiny bit of a song in the beginning, and she sang a full song at the end, recorded, of course she wasn't there. A song I've never heard before, something about red, white, and blue, and patriotism or something. And that's it. That was all. That was nothing else Dolly Parton about it. It was all about horses. We saw horses. We saw buffaloes. We saw longhorn cattle. We saw dogs. We saw pigs. We saw tons of riders on. I think there was over 35 horses in this thing. Wagons. Anyway, what a show. Great food as well. We had chicken. We had pork. We had corn on the cob. We had a dessert like an apple turnover. Lemonade, tea, coffee, whatever, and and a potato. All really good. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell.